Some conversations ignite new ideas. Some experiences help you grow. But some platforms, they challenge you, shape you, and push you to become your best self. Introducing EvolveX, an initiative for business excellence and personality development training at Morphedo.
We envision EvolveX as an initiative focusing on business excellence and personality development. It aims to create an environment where seamless interaction takes place and where the participants can refine their communication skills, build confidence, and develop strong analytical perspectives.
When EvolveX first started, participants were very hesitant in speaking up and sharing their thoughts freely. But throughout weeks, through different formats of activities, we have seen an increase in the confidence, and participants are now sharing their perspectives more openly in a group.
As the weeks have progressed, the participants have become increasingly engaged and enthusiastic about the sessions. This excitement is quite evident when the weekly themes are announced, the score sheets are put up, or when the results are declared, awarding certificates and badges to the consistent top performers, thus motivating them. Beyond this competitive spirit, EvolveX has also helped the participants become more expressive, articulate, and confident in their communication. This initiative has also positively impacted the workplace environment, fostering a culture of effective collaboration and seamless communication.
The EvolveX initiatives, I avoided speaking in open events, but after taking parts in these group discussions, I have realized that it was not my forte, but I have liked to work upon it. And also, I'd like to add one more thing that if you do not put yourself out of your comfort zone, you cannot gauge your weakness. Hence, it has helped me a lot.
Evolvex is more than an activity for me. We got a chance to do meaningful interactions, and we got perspective of each individuals. How do they think? How do they take up the issues and all?
So I remember in one of the sessions of EvolveX, there was this story about this guy named Paul. It was an animated video. So in that session, first we had to watch the video and then we had to discuss about it later. So that was very dear to me because it sheds the light on the importance of being yourself, while also appreciating others the way they are. At Morphedo, growth is a mindset. We actively work on polishing our people, enabling them to improve, stay productive, and grow with clarity. Through EvolveX, we coach our team, identify improvement areas, and build professionalism that delivers great results. Because great products come from teams that never stops evolving.